Hi, this is Sam Guan with Siemens PLM Software. Today we'll quickly review how we can create an exploded view in the master model drawing concept. Quickly, let's take a look at what master model is. What that defines is I have a particular drill assembly and I want to create a drawing of that drill assembly. So these two are two separate files where engineers can work on them concurrently. So let's take a look at what NX documentation explains what we can do about exploded view. So in the exploded view, on the creating a drawing, it says that creating an exploded view is an assembly operation can only be performed at the assembly file. So let's take a look, see what we have in the NX assembly. So now we see that we have a particular assembly. In this case, we take a look at this drill. We want to go ahead and just go take a look at a particular custom view that I created earlier, which I call it trimetric-master exp. It's defined for exploding of this particular view. Go ahead and take a look at that view now. That's what it is. That's what is displayed on the bottom left of the screen. We can even zoom it in to see that's what that is. And that is the view we want later on add to our drawing. So let's take a look. The particular explosion that I've already created, in this case I call explosion 1. We see that all the components has been properly moved to specific locations where they can define and can be reviewed. Let's take a look at the drawing. We want to insert this particular exploded view at the drawing level. We want to add that exploded view trimetric-master-exp, which we defined that earlier. As we add that particular view, we notice that particular explosion that we created did not display. So that kind of tell us that something is not working well. So let's go back into the model of this drawing, which is the assembly file. So once again, we have a particular explosion that I created earlier. Same thing is called explosion 1, but this is, I call it drawing-exp. Same thing, I have a particular view that I call it, is called the trimetric-drawing explosion. Now we want to add this particular view to the drawing. So go ahead and insert a particular base view. This time it's a little trickier. What we want to do is we want to go and grab, instead of the drill assembly, we want to make sure we want to select from the loaded parts in the UI, we want to select that drill assembly drawing, and then we can drop down into a specific view that we want to add to that. So let's take a look. We're going to select that particular drawing file, and then once that is done, we can come down and create or add this trimetric-drawing explosion. So now as we add that view to the drawing, we see that the explosion of that particular assembly is properly displayed. We see that the one on the left is from the master, the one on the right is actually come from the drawing file itself. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you.